Welcome to Earni Tutorials, your quick guide to making NDIS business admin faster and easier. Earni is your smart, all-in-one mobile app built for support workers and providers to help you manage your clients, scheduling, invoicing, and cash flow, as well as power through your NDIS admin with ease. Less admin, less stress, more time back for yourself. Earni is the easier way. If you haven't got the app yet, just head to earni.au, download and start streamlining your workday today. A service agreement is an open agreement between a client and a service provider that outlines the details of services to be provided, costs of supports, both parties' responsibilities, the period of time the agreement is for, and how it can be changed. It's the most secure way to ensure both you as the service provider and your client are on the same page. To create a service agreement in Earni, on the bottom menu tap More, Service Agreements, and tap the purple plus button to create a new agreement. Link to add your client, and if known, you can select the plan dates, but it's not essential, and then enter in the dates that your agreement will start and end. Under Rates, select the service from your favorite services list, and if it's not in your favorites yet, you can tap Add New Service to Favorites and search the NDIS price guide to add a new service. If you'd like to include a schedule of supports, which is a quote for the period of time, tick this option and add in a schedule. You can also add in travel to and from or transport within the appointment in this section. Under Total, review the agreement details to ensure you have entered all the information you wish to include. You can then review the client and alternative contact details at the bottom to ensure their name, address, and contact details are all completed and accurate. If anything needs changing or adding, you can save the service agreement as a draft and jump back into the client section to update their contact details. Once you're happy with your service agreement, tap Submit and Send, and then you'll be prompted to digitally sign the agreement at your end. Sign your signature, and once confirmed, you can select from the client side who will receive and sign the e-document. Tap Next, and you'll be prompted with the option to send it to the client for electronic signing or any other contacts you may have linked to that client, and then tick who you'd like to receive the final signed version of the agreement. Tap Submit and Send, and you've just created a simple, accurate, and law-abiding service agreement between yourself and your client.